Okay, well this is the Carnival Hub app. Until you get on board, you can't really do much with it other than to set a countdown. It has your weather, what's happening. For Samsung's, the weather is in Fahrenheit.
Which is so weird.
It is. You can even order pizzas for $7 delivery. There's your ship map so you can see where you're going. It also has a chat feature that costs $9. What's happening, food and drinks. You can look up menus and what's open when. Kids and teens. I don't know anything about that because I don't have a child. Ships maps, open times so you can tell when things are open. You've also good to know things like bar service in case you need to know something and can't be bothered going to guest services. And also okay, well, that's your account summary. You can check what you've spent, what's been put onto your thing. The negatives is money that has been put onto your card. The positives is what you spent. That can get confusing.
How do I do the chat?
Oh, you just go to the chat.
Yes,
Well, no,
the chat.
Can I do it?
You just accept terms and conditions and purchase chat.
It's just all over the ship. Doesn't matter.
Okay, so we're going to the chat.
I mean, the baked meatball sounds kind of nice. Which, honestly, I might get that first. And then... Whoa. I might get the baked meatballs. And then go the karage. Is that how you pronounce it? Karage.
So
they really should
this
have
is
two R's if they're going to make it freaking karage.
What Jeremy's looking
Japanese.
at. He's in his food and drinks. And he scrolls down to dinner. Early dining, which is what we are. If you're late dining will come up. Or if you're anytime dining will come up. It also has your assigned seating table in there. And then you just click on menu and it shows you the menu. Feedback,
yeah.
internet package and settings.
Russell's
The settings don't have much.
I can't. Wait, what's that?
But that is the Carnival Hub app.